Hi guys, welcome back to Melissa's Kitchen channel, and today I'm back with another Jamaican recipe video. And for today's video we'll be doing green plantain porridge. So I had 3 green plantains, so I peel them, I cut and put them in a bowl, and then I'm going to further continue with our porridge process. So items ready to grate our plantain here. So it's our basin with our grater. I'm going to grate our plantain. Water to this pot. So add 2 cups of water to this pot so it can boil for when I finish grating the plantains. Whisk your green grated plantain. So guys, this is our green plantain porridge. Just a while ago we added our thickening base, and with the thickening base you can also add your flour. With the thickening base you can also add your seasoning if you want. So while mixing the flour, we add flour for the thickening agent. So while we're adding our flour, you can add a flavoring as well, or if you don't want to add it in the flour, you can add it to the pot after you finish adding the flour thickening agent. So see there now, it start to thicken up. Start to find a little crust layer here. That's your porridge, and it's still boiling down. We come back when it's ready and ready to be served.